Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how-to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire a professional.
On with the show.
Okay, Mercedes said that they inspected the rear drains and tried to unclog them and couldn't. You can't access the rear drains. No way, shape, form, or fashion. You can't get to them from the sunroof at all. You have to take the headliner off, so they lied about that. Now, they said the drains were clogged, okay? Here's a bottle of water. You see how much water is in it? I'm gonna dump it right here. The proper spot for the sunroof drain is right here. I'm trying to get a better picture of it, I'm sorry. This right here, all this right here is the deflector for the water to go down into this channel right here, and that's where I'm going to dump it. So I'm physically dumping, I'm going to dump all this water in there. Now, there's no water there, but I walk over here, and there's the water. Draining out the back where it's properly supposed to drain. For the back drain. Right there. And it's coming from up in there like it's supposed to. As you can see right there. All that water came out. And the drain tube is up in there. Right there. Now you can see better here because I can stand up a little bit better. I'm doing the same amount of water in the same channel. Actually, it's a little more this time because I need time. Okay, that's 20 ounces of water. Now we're gonna walk back here. And the water's coming out the drain like it's supposed to. As you can see there, it comes down. We'll go inside the compartment here where you can see it better. There's a hose right there. There's absolutely no water whatsoever coming out of the tube as far as leaking out anywhere it's supposed to not go, except for directly outside. See, even the grommet is not leaking. So it's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. It comes right out. And there's no water in here other than the water that was coming from this earlier that I found and showed you in another video.